Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we are going to see edgings and borders as well, and in particular we are going to see the crossed stitch, double crochet crossed stitch. So in order to make the crossed double crochet stitch, we're going to make a foundation chain of multiple of 2. I remind you that you can begin directly and make the edging, and then you can add it to the fabric, or you can crochet it directly on the fabric by using the two techniques of whip stitch for crocheting and or the single crochet stitch. You can find all my videos at the end or during this video, or on my blog. The address of my blog, you can find it on the description section of this video. So as I've said, multiple of 2, I'm going to make a foundation chain of 10 stitches. And 10. And now I'm going to add one chain, because I'm going to make 2 rows of single crochets. So in each stitch, 1 single crochet, and the first row is done. 1 chain, and then the second row of single crochets, and here we are going to make the main stitch, the crossed double crochet stitch. So I'm going to make 3 chains, because that count as 1 double crochet, because we start and we finish the border with a double crochet. So in order to make the cross stitch, we skip 1 stitch here, and we insert the hook here and we make a double crochet, and then we go back here into the stitch which we have skipped, and we make the second double crochet. That's it. Again, we skip one stitch, we insert the hook into the second, and we wrap the yarn, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the first 2 loops, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the second 2 loops, and we have done the double crochet. Then to cross the stitch, we yarn over and we insert the hook here into the skipped stitch, we wrap the yarn, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the first 2 loops, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the second 2 loops. And again, in order to make the first of the 2 double crochets, we yarn over, we skip one stitch, we insert the hook into the next one, we wrap the yarn, we have 3 loops on the hook, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the first 2 loops, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the second 2 loops, and then we yarn over and we go back here into the skipped stitch, we insert the hook, we wrap the yarn, we yarn over and we pass the yarn through the 2 loops, and we yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops, and again we skip one stitch here and we insert the hook into the second, we make a double crochet, and then we go back here into the skipped stitch and we make another double crochet, and we finish the border by making a double crochet at the end, because as I've said, we begin with a double crochet and we end with a double crochet, and this is the crossed stitch, the double crochet crossed stitch. I thank you for watching me. I hope I've been useful. Till next time, bye bye.